Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the 0563-0104 Waterproof Folding Thermometer. The 0563-0104 measures food temperatures precisely at any time in production, storage and processing. Great for use in restaurants, supermarket chains, food retail and wholesale, or in industrial areas. The device's main feature is the robust fold-out probe, which begins taking measurements from a fold-out angle of 30 degrees and is suitable for immersion or insertion into semi-solid objects. The thermometer's protection class, IP65, means it can withstand tough work environments and allows cleaning under running water, so it's suitable for use in almost all conditions. In the box there's a multi-language instruction manual, coloured strips which can be used to label the device, calibration certificate, two AAA batteries, and the thermometer. The thermometer is a very simple design featuring a backlit LCD screen, a single multifunction button on top. This is used to freeze the display and to show the maximum and minimum readings. The fold-out immersion penetration probe with a pointed tip. And lastly, on the base is a label area and the battery compartment. To insert the batteries, you'll need a small screwdriver. Locate the single screw on the base of the unit, unscrew, and remove the battery cavity cover. Within the cavity is a switch to change between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Rankine scales. Best to select the scale now to save opening the cavity again. Insert the two batteries, observing the polarity, then reinstall the battery cavity lid. With the batteries installed, pulling the probe out automatically turns the device on. The large, crisp LCD screen can be read from almost any angle. For a video on the setup options, or for a link to the product page, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.